Did you know that just because you brought and or have installed really fast RAM, that it doesn't mean you gain those insane speeds as soon as you install the kit? So let me show you how to actually get the speeds that you paid for, those awesome fast rated speeds. Okay, so here we are. We're actually on my computer, so I'm running an Intel system, about 4 years old, coming up 4 years old. It's a Z390 motherboard with 8700K. And as we can see, if we go down here, this is in the advanced settings, so there's a lot of overclocking features in the advanced settings. There's a lot of things that you can tweak. There's this one setting that's called Extreme Memory Profile, XMP. And I've already got it set to Profile 1, but if I click Enter, it gives me Profile 1 or Disabled. So I can turn it off and it goes to 2133. I can turn it on and it goes to 3200. You saw the second line change speeds. Okay. Alternatively, let me go into easy mode. We've got XMP over here. So there is an option in the easy mode if you don't want to have a look at all the extra stuff that a BIOS has, that you can just go awesome, disabled, enabled. Okay. So like I said, this is very much the same in AMD BIOSes. It's just that in AMD it's called DOCP. Yeah, it's that simple. Once you've got it all set, you want to hit F10 and save. So yeah, once you've done that, so you hit F10 and you click save, that's it. That's all that you have to do. It's that quick and simple. It gets you the speeds that you've paid for, the timings that you paid for, and more importantly, the performance that you've paid for. Because once you pay for faster RAM, you're paying a premium for better performance. I just do want to say that there are variables as to whether or not you can do it or not. Firstly, I want to stress so much that if it's a DDR4 kit and it's over 2133 or 2400 megahertz, mega transfers, whatever you want to call it, it is an overclock. Same with DDR5, if it's over 4800 mega transfers, it is an overclock. Okay, so while you've paid for these speeds, it doesn't mean that your system is necessarily going to be stable, even if your motherboard and CPU supports those speeds. There can still be some instabilities. You are technically overclocking the RAM and the memory controller. And secondly, not all motherboards support XMP or DOCP. So yes, your chipset is a factor in this. It may limit you on what you can and can't do with memory speeds. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button down below. Also hit that subscribe button, it really helps me out. And I want to do more content like this that's just nice, quick and simple, where it just helps people out that don't quite know what they're doing with their computers. I've just built it and they want to be able to do other things to make it perform better. So I really hope that you join me in my next video. I'm probably going to do one on different ways how to get into the BIOS for the next video, as well as I think in that video I would also go how to boot to a USB drive. So that's the next video. Have a good one. Hope you watch my next one. See ya.